Did you almost die?
Yeah.
Zooming out. Whiteboard Wednesday. Coach Logan, Coach Abby.
Hey.
20 would you rather questions. Buckle up, get your chips and pop/soda ready for this. Foreshadowing.
Yeah.
Here we go. No, that's it. Ready?
Okay.
Would you rather, you'll pick up on the theme, have unlimited potato chips or unlimited tortilla chips for life?
Oh my gosh.
You want potatoes or you want corn? A little bit Irish, a little bit of Mexican.
That's a really hard question.
Nixtamalization or product of
But I
famine?
guess if I have potato chips, I can have tortillas.
What?
Like as my corn.
Oh, yeah.
I can't have the
yeah.
chips. But I could also have potatoes and have tortilla chips and have tortillas.
I would go with unlimited tortilla chips.
I don't know.
Unlimited tortilla chips.
I kind of think, I think I'd pick potato chips. I don't know. They got so many weird flavors to try. But
Question number 2.
carry on.
Would you rather eat chips with salsa or chips with guac? I'll answer
salsa.
because I'm allergic to avocados.
Yeah.
Thus, salsa it is.
I'm going to say salsa because there are so many varieties of salsa. I mean, there's varieties of guac, but yeah, wait.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Would you rather have chips with a spicy kick or chips with a cheesy flavor?
Spicy. Yeah.
Kick.
Cheesy and spicy.
Next question. Would you rather snack on a plain salted chip or a flavored chip?
Flavored chip.
Flavored chip. Would you rather dip your chips in ranch or French onion dip?
Chips and ranch? Never done it before.
If it was a buffalo chip, maybe.
Ooh,
Buffalo ranch.
buffalo ranch,
But
yeah.
generally, I would probably go French onion.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever dipped chips in ranch. I don't really, that doesn't, French onion dip.
You don't chip dip because you're not hip when you get the chip dip to your lip? Yep.
Sip.
No. Okay. Next question. Would you rather have chips with a sandwich or chips with a burger?
Sandwich.
Sandwich.
Fries with the burger.
Yeah.
And you can put the chips on the sandwich. Specifically a tuna sandwich.
Salt and vinegar chips with any type of sandwich?
Ooh, yeah.
Oh, see.
But you can't have potato chips anymore, so.
That's fine. Would you rather eat crispy chips or kettle cooked chips?
Crispy chips.
Kettle cook.
Oh,
Come on, that's texture right
extra
there.
crunch.
Ugh.
Man, this really could have been a
Kettle
an
cooked salt and
ASMR.
vinegar?
Yeah.
You messed up. No.
Extra crunch.
Lay in your bed of
Crispy chip.
crunchy, crispy chips. Would you rather have chips as a side with every meal or as a snack only?
Aside for a snack only. Aside for every meal, that would be overwhelming.
Side for every meal. I'd do
Oh,
it.
why?
Because there's such a variety.
Yeah.
It's like a wine. You know, it
Yeah.
probably
I
increases
gotta-
the oh yeah, let me, what do you got? Chip flight?
You'll be a chipotle.
Yeah.
So,
Small
I don't.
small-
Yeah.
small,
Sommelier. Yeah. What is sommelier? Whatever the word is for a wine expert, you'd be a chipotle.
Yeah.
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 Right.
Would you rather eat chips that are extra salty or chips with no salt at all?
Extra salty.
No salt at all.
What?
Yeah.
I'm thinking salt and vinegar now. I can't get it off my mind.
That's not too much.
But that's not what it said.
Yeah, extra salty.
Like you're, as in too salty.
I mean, extra is more than normal. And normal.
I guess no
is
salt
right.
then.
Why?
Because I was thinking of
Because
like
you don't have
as
boundaries and you can easily be manipulated?
No, because I was thinking salt and vinegar chips as like a chip that is extra salty, but now I'm thinking about it and it's actually asking if you want extra salt on all baseline chips, and the answer is no. So
Would you rather eat chips that are baked or fried? Baked. I just know the macros are nice. They're so nice. Baked chips.
Baked chips
macros
are really good.
It's good
Ah.
macros.
Um,
If macros were not a part of it, fried chips.
yeah. I'm gonna pick fried because I don't care.
Would you rather have sweet potato chips or a Classico chip? It's Espanol.
Yes, right. See?
See. Classic chip. Come on, Abby. What are we hesitating for?
What was it?
You want a sweet potato chip or a classic potato chip?
Yeah, classic.
When's the last time you went and bought sweet potato chips?
Not very often.
Okay. Would you rather eat chips that are heavily seasoned or chips with just a hint of flavor? A hint of lime.
Hint of lime. Limon. Wait, what was the first one?
Heavily,
Heavily seasoned.
not heavenly.
I'm gonna go with the light
Same.
seasoning because then you can eat more.
Would you rather enjoy chips with a movie or chips at a party?
Well, I don't go to parties, so
Movie.
movies.
Because also if it's a party chip bag, you got all these dirty fingers.
Yeah. It's like, hey, nice to meet you. Oh, sorry, Dorito hands.
Yeah. Yeah, that's not a...
Yeah, I also don't really go to parties.
Is it Cheeto a chip or is it Cheeto a Cheeto? Don't they say fingers or is that Kit Kat?
That's Kit Kat.
They might say something like that though. For
I don't know. I mean, I think it probably is a Cheeto, not a chip.
Yeah. Would you rather have chips with a crunchy texture or chips with a light, airy texture?
Crunchy.
I'm thinking like popcorners
Mm-hmm.
versus
Regular chips.
veggie straws.
Oh, yeah, the crunchy one.
Would you rather have...
You didn't
Oh.
answer.
Oh, I'm all about asking the questions here. Let's not talk about me. Let's talk about you.
Is it because you have no boundaries and you're easily manipulated, so you don't want to give your answers on film?
No, it's because I have low self-esteem and don't like to talk about myself. Yeah, see? Would you rather make your
okay.
own chips at home or buy them from the store?
I've never made
The
chips.
store.
Yeah.
So no foot to stand
I would
on.
say evidence of life shows that I prefer to buy them in the store.
Would you rather have chips made from potato chips or made from corn? Kind of the first question again.
Yeah, that's the same question.
Redundant.
I guess it could be Fritos. Yeah.
Would you rather try a new exotic chip flavor or stick to your favorite classic flavor? Exotic?
Yeah, I'd try the exotic
Like
one.
what is that?
I don't know, like Cuban sandwich. Gross,
Like
but it was fun to try it.
kangaroo
Didn't like it.
seasoned didgeridoo chips?
G'day, mate.
No, not a good day.
Yeah. I don't know any other.
I still want to try the
Australian slang.
exotic ones,
Yeah,
Yeah.
exotic for sure.
just as long as it's not like ostrich chip.
Right.
Would
A
you rather
kangaroo.
kangaroo chip?
Yeah. Gotta
Would
ask
you
Hugh
rather
Jackman.
eat chips that are tangy and vinegary, or chips that are sweet and spicy?
Oh, that's really
Dang,
hard.
This is the hardest question
Oh
yet.
no.
Sweet
Oh.
and spicy, tangy and vinegary.
How do you pick? All of them? I don't know.
Some of my favorite chips are the limon,
Yeah.
the salt and
spicy
vinegar,
one? Yeah. Oh, the limon chips.
but then a jalapeno chip.
If you haven't had limon chips,
Oh man,
you're missing out.
habanero chips.
Yeah. Those hot honey ones I got, it was another exotic Lay's favorite flavor. Exotic. Sweet and spicy, or, I mean, probably like my absolute favorite chips are salty and tangy, though. Like, I still like sweet and spicy, but when I think about what I tend to buy more often, it is the like salt and vinegar, or limon, or
I go salty and spicy, so like a Valentina sauce on a basic lay chip. Ooh, if I had to choose.
I don't know. This is really, but spicy is also good. But you could also add your own spice if you know.
No, that's not the. No,
it's the gray area.
Salty. All right, we're going salty. Just thinking about me at 60-year-old me getting heartburn on the spiciness. Tangy and vinegary seems more longevity based.
Oh yeah, tangy vinegar. That was what it was. I just feel like I more often buy chips that fall in that category.
Ugh.
So
Yeah. Would you rather eat chips? I'm sorry. Would you rather have chips with a hearty dip like chili or a light dip like hummus?
I never thought about chili as dip. I guess Skyline chili.
What's a Frito pie?
Never had it.
Frito pie?
No.
It's kind of
What
like
is it?
your traveling taco or a walking taco.
Oh, walking taco. Yeah.
sorta. But it's just like the Fritos,
Mhm.
chili cheese.
Mhm. Oh, that sounds good.
Sonic does it
Um,
all the time.
Hummus, or I mean, I use hummus and crackers.
It just says like chili. It doesn't have to be chili. It should be
So-
hearty. You can do like chowder and some dip. Or light
or
dip.
like spinach artichoke dip. Would be hearty.
I'm thinking hearty because how am I going to get my protein?
Well, I usually do hummus with crackers, so I'm gonna go with hearty.
Unless you did a Greek yogurt based lighter dip.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, I know I said I never dipped chips in ranch before, but if you mix Greek yogurt and ranch seasoning together, it makes great dip for everything,
You could do-
including chips.
You could do that
And you
cottage
can put
cheese.
buffalo in it. Ooh, yeah.
Fat-free cottage cheese pureed, blended with some stuff and dip into it.
Wow. Sounds like maybe make that.
No. Would you rather snack on chips that are super crunchy or melt in your mouth? That's kind of like the crispy and hairy ones.
Yeah. I'm gonna say super crunchy.
Super crunchy.
Yeah.
And then bonus question. What's your favorite chip? Right now, currently. Lay it out.
Limon, thin, HEB.
What's that?
Yeah. The extra thin limon chip from HEB.
Hands down.
Yeah, hands down, best chip ever.
Hint of lime is still my favorite type of chip. Just any hint of lime. HEB's hint of
Yeah.
limes are really great. You just you're like, oh, that wasn't too much. It's just a
The
hint.
limon is like a salt and vinegar, but lime. And it's so good.
It's all lime.
Yeah. Wow.
Not telling the truth, you're liming. All right, that's it. Whiteboard Wednesday, wrapped.
Adios.
Put all your stuff, answer questions if you want to or not.
Yeah,
I don't care either way. This is for your participation.
yeah.
If you want to participate, do it. I'll read them and I'll give them a thumbs up or a thumbs down and go through the comments like, dumb answer. That was dumb.
Those chips suck.
Fool.
We're right.
But also, put them in there either way.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna belittle you in the public sphere of
No,
YouTube. So,
nah. No trolls here.
till next time.
Bye, everybody.
Who knows?